Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm at Shifen Station. So in Shifen Station you can find Shifen Old Street. It is located in Bingxi area and it is one of the famous old streets in New Taipei City. So here you can find the waterfall, Shifen Waterfall, which is very famous, and then the market here, Shifen Market. And it's also famous for its lanterns, so we can fly lanterns here, and later I will do it too. As you can see here, there is this lanes, and it was originally built for transporting coal during the Japanese era. So this track and station is very historical. So as you can see here, there are many people buying lanterns and flying their lanterns. They put their wishes on the lanterns and their prayers on the lanterns using the ink, like what we are doing right now. So you can choose the color of the lanterns, and we choose red because red is lucky, based on the Chinese belief. And we also put the Bible quote here. So we wrote the wishes by ourselves using the ink. They provided the ink, but be careful because this ink might tainted your clothes, which is bad for you. So very careful in writing your wishes. And be hopeful because it might come true. So after writing our wishes, they put some fire on the lantern, and here we are. They will help us to video it. So we release the lanterns, and as you can see, there are many lanterns here. So we release them on the old lanes, old track in Shifen. And after releasing the lantern, we can go to see the Shifen Waterfall, which is also very famous. It's a little bit far, guys, so they usually use the motorcycle to go there. But if you are young and strong, just go using your legs. It will be a very good exercise for you. So this is the bridge. It's a historical bridge from the Japanese era. Crossing this bridge, we can look around and found the scenery here is very amazing. I mean, you can see around you. It's all forest, trees, lakes, river actually. It's a beautiful place to have exercise, take some strolls, and it's a very healthy environment. So here we are in the area of Shifen Waterfall. We can find this market. It's not so big, but it's a market where you can buy souvenirs or food They have many kinds of food, starting from fruit, fish, sausage, meat, chicken, snacks, or any other souvenirs that you want to bring home for your families. They have it all here, and of course, toilets. After a long walk, you might want to have to pee. You can do what you want here. And this is it, the Shifen Waterfall. I'll turn on the voice so you can hear the relaxing voice of the waterfall itself. And here you'll feel the breeze, not feeling hot at all, and enjoy the scenery. So this is how you can get to Shifen Old Village from Taipei main station. And if you want more travel vlogs, just subscribe to my channels and I'll update 2 videos every week. Thank you for watching my channel and goodbye.